the minor calyces. This is the
Louder.
renal hilum. Renal hilus. This is the renal sinus. This is the apex there and the base. The base. This is the renal pyramid. Renal pyramid and the renal column. The spaces between the renal pyramid. This is the renal artery, the segmental artery, the lobar artery, and the interlobar artery.
This is the interlobal girl. Ito girl. Ito girl. Ito.
Ito nga.
Ito. Ito ganyan yan. Ito yung
Ito mismo. This is the interlobar artery. This is the arcuate artery and the interlobular artery. These are the nephrons. These are the collecting ducts. This part is the renal medulla. And this medulla. And this is the renal cortex. This is the fibrous capsule, the covering of the kidney. This is the renal vein, the interlobar vein, and the arcuate vein, and the interlobular vein.